on, guys!
Look at those windows.
I'm so excited to see Solaria.
Welcome to Solar Innovations. I'm Solaria, and Solar Innovations is my home. Let's hear from Ben.
Solar Innovations has been in business since 1998. We started by selling greenhouses and conservatories, and then we moved into doors and windows in the early 2000s.
We make what are called architectural glaze products.
We currently have the most complete line of glazing systems in the industry. We make greenhouses, conservatories,
Sunrooms, skylights, etc. The whole place is like a working showroom. Come along for a tour. I mostly hang out in the entryway greenhouse since it contains the koi pond. This is where I chill with all my koi friends, but it is never chilly. Look around. It is a perfect growing temperature all year round. Come upstairs with me and look out over the production floor. It reminds me of an aquarium, but even nicer. This is where it all happens. Well, actually there is much work to be done before production, like marketing, sales. Brendan keeps us connected as a videographer and social media professional.
The most challenging thing about my job is probably the best part about my job. And being able to market for 3 different companies under one roof. As a manufacturer of greenhouses, conservatories, skylights, doors and windows, we also are a manufacturer of universal clamps, which are clamps to mount solar panels on the roofs. And we also manufacture fishing reels, and IRT Reels that's a sister company of ours.
I hear that they make some of the highest quality fishing reels in the market, which to me is really scary.
It can get a little crazy marketing for all 3 of those companies, but it also keeps things super exciting and super fresh, and every day is a challenge.
The production floor is where it all comes together with machining, fabrication, and installation. It is all about teamwork at Solar Innovations.
We built some really interesting products. I mean, I don't build just windows, I also help with our R&D department. We recently just did a job for the Chiefs Hall of Fame.
Solar Innovations is focused on living and working green, and it's not just a slogan. Their main office and manufacturing building has over 3,600 solar panels, provides them with all the energy they need.
We're looking for driven, motivated people to come and work here. It's just an awesome place to work.
For when you get the big one on.
Solar Innovations, it's not just a place where you work, it's a place where you grow.